Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to fix the you need permission error when opening Google Sheets. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this error usually pops up when you're trying to open a Google Sheet that you don't have access to. Maybe someone forgot to share it with you, or you're signed into the wrong Google account. First, double check the account you're logged into. Look at the bottom of the browser. If you're not on the correct email, click on the profile picture and switch to the right Google account. If the issue persists, go back to the You Need Permission screen and click the Request Access. You can type a short message to explain why you need it. The file owner will get an email and can grant you access. But if you know the person who owns the file, you can also copy the link and message them directly. Ask them to change the sharing settings, ideally to anyone with the link can view or anyone with link can edit, depending on what you need. If you're using a work or school account and still getting blocked, it's possible the file is restricted by admin settings. In that case, try asking your IT admin or file owner to allow access across domains. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.